slower than I was hoping for, but it's probably my launch. Oh shit. Whew. Something to work with. First run was a 9.2 at 84 miles an hour. I still had traction control on, so that kind of killed the burnout and the launch, and I'm gonna add a little bit of RPM into the launch, see if I can get that 60 foot down, because that's not good. As my friends, they said it bogged out of the hole. I'm gonna try something a little different next time. I guess technically I did better on that one, even though it felt worse. My reaction time was a little bit better. 60 foot, still struggling with, and about a 1/10 off and same mile an hour. So if I can dial this launch in a little bit better, that'd be awesome, but I'm just still learning. This is my first time ever really doing this.